I'm bringing you a review today about a product that I just tried. This is James with JJ Media and Online Services. I normally bring you tech tips and online helps, but I also do product reviews. So today I'm reviewing a product that I just found and I really love. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, share it on all of your social media, follow us. In the description of this video there are links to our social media accounts. Please follow us, and on this product review there will be a link for you to purchase it if you so desire. So we will be right back and go to the computer to show you this product that we are wanting to let you know about. We'll see you in a minute. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we do have the product pulled up here. And first of all, before I get started, subscribe, and share this this video. The product I'm talking about is Noir Folgers Noire, Noire, or however you want to say it. Right there, it is. I just drank me a cup of it. Here is the inside. It's a dark roast. And for you coffee drinkers out there, I'm an avid coffee drinker, and I love my coffee dark and with no sugar. I drink it black, and it's hard to find a coffee that is truly quality and no sugar, and with no fillers. So I found this, and I just had a cup. In fact, I still have just a little bit left here. Still got a cup, but it's Folgers Noire. So let's dig in a little bit more about this and see what they have here. Of course, it is a dark roast. They call it a smoky midnight ground coffee, 10.3 ounce. You can order it. I do have it. I'm an Amazon affiliate, just letting you know. And I just offer it if you want it. You can go to your local store and get it. But you can get 6 of these ordered on Amazon. But you can click the link in the description. But it is a dark roast, robust body, smoky finish. And the one thing I want to remind you again is most coffees have a lot of filler in it. In fact, I should have brought up one of the coffees that I drink a lot, and it has a lot of filler. And it's hard finding dark coffee. In fact, one local store we've been shopping at, and for months we haven't been able to find a real good dark coffee. And it's kind of frustrating, and yet you can spend a lot of money on coffee. But this Folgers has a whole line of this coffee, Smoky Midnight Intense Dark. That's again the one that I got. It was very good, and they have the whole line. So they have the Golden Dust, the Rich Satin. Of course, the Smoky Midnight, that's what I got, and the True Dark. And then they also have the other pods that you can purchase, but I'm a huge one. I actually like beans, but if it's pre-ground, that's fine. But I wanted to just let you know about this. Do a lot of review videos, and and I just like coffee. I love coffee, and it's fine good coffee more. So right there is the line. You can click the affiliate link in the description. I know I keep repeating that, just letting you know. Yes, I like trying to make a few cents off of sales, but go to your local store, get it, try it, and comment below what you think of it. So please make sure you subscribe and share this video. Comment below, and we will look at doing some things for you, those that comment. And what would you like? What type of product would you like to see a review on? Comment below. See what you would like. And if you or your business, in fact, let me just pull this screen up and talk to you. If you have a product or you have a business that would like reviewed, tell me about the business. I actually do local reviews for businesses here in South Florida. But if you have a product, please tell me about it, and we can work out a deal. Send it to me. I will review. I do video ranking, and I'm just recently got back into YouTube and kind of trying to really grow this channel. So thank you for watching. Click the link below, subscribe, and connect with us on our social media, on our Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and our website. Please link up with us and make sure that you share and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.